The 2018 Nissan Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning front, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, splash guards, rear spoiler, radio data system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.